Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat exactly after me and watch yourself bend and hack the money matrix. Because you and I, we live in illusion. This place isn't real. We're living in a sacred simulation, and this simulation is a mere reflection of the consciousness you're holding. And if in this video I can help you change your consciousness from where it is now to your desired timeline, everything in your reality will start to shift in accordance with that. Now, the trick to all this about what we're going to say out loud and what we're going to be reviewing is you can't hope this is going to work out, or no wishful manifesting practice. You got to believe, because whatever you're embodying in the portal of consciousness is what you're viewing on your reality screen. Now, before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed and throw a like on this so it's easy to come back to the video and let us know the amazing results that unfold. I've been doing this for over 10 years. I've worked with 3,000 plus clients. I've manifested all kinds of awards, money, and so many good things into my life, and this stuff works. I've even done hypnosis and brainwashing for success. And if you start to change what's going on in your inner world, your outer world is going to reflect that, and you'll see it. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be right here on this video. Stay right here in stillness, don't jump to another video, stick with me here. We're going to review some of this, and then we're going to get right to word for word what to say to see your reality shifting. Now, this is really tricky because our outer world seems to be very real. I mean, I'll pick up one of these markers here and it feels like it's physical, because it is. And when I ask my client one-on-one or even in our group coaching, like, what do you believe is real? They'll say, whatever I can see is real. But we want to go into the invisible side of things and realize whatever I can feel, whatever I can smell, whatever I can taste, whatever I can touch is also real. And also the things like the Wi-Fi you're viewing this video on, or how cell phones even work, or radios, are also invisible, but they work, right? You're using your phone right now, or using your laptop or TV in order to see this video. It's invisible. You don't have a lot of wires connecting everything. So we see these results, and that's you. You're seeing your outer world. You're seeing your relationships. You're seeing your financial, maybe your career, maybe a certain success. You're seeing all the results in your life. And it seems like in order for me to change this world, I got to really change these things and make it happen. You see? So it looks like the outer world we need to manipulate and force and change and grind and have that hustle culture in order to make it happen. But really what's going on here is I put all things dotted in the things that we cannot see. And so this dotted line here is actually a mirror. And we don't get to see this because it's the unconscious. This is the conscious mind. This is the unconscious. What's unconscious mean? It's like when you fall asleep, you're getting unconscious. So you don't know what's going on in this world by seeing through your eyes. But what's going on is there is an invisible eye, the third eye, if you will, that's allowing yourself in imagination to reflect the dream of this world. This physical world, we call it physical world, but I like to call it, we're dreaming this world. We're dreaming this physical world. Throughout thousands of cultures and thousands of years of history, the deepest ancient teachers all agree that we are dreaming this outer world. This outer world isn't real. We're dreaming it through our imagination, through our third eye. So as we start to understand that everything inside is a reflection and mirrored out, projected out onto the mirror of the outer world. A good word for this is it's projected. So whatever you're seeing, it's kind of like those old style projectors, you know, that you're seeing something and it's projecting outwards, but then it's a big screen. Same thing goes with this. It's almost like a funnel. It's allowing you to project your result over. So if we want to change the outer world, don't just work harder. We've all done it before. We've all worked 60 to 80-hour weeks. We've all worked very hard, maybe had 3 jobs at one time, maybe had a lot going on. And sometimes you earned no more money. Sometimes you're actually quite unhappy doing that. Sometimes your results were actually even lower when you tried another marketing plan and another thing over here and put out 3,000 resumes and nothing ever happened. Right? So sometimes the harder you work, sometimes you actually exhaust yourself, drain yourself, and get burnt out. So we can't depend on working on the outer world. If we work on the inner world, that's what law of attraction and manifesting, even the great teachers like Neville Goddard or Abraham Hicks, or my first teacher, who I became a top 10 coach for, Bob Proctor, would say is we got to start with the inner world. So the inner world, this is good for your notes. I suggest you write this down in the comments box below so you're taking good notes with this, so you're activating this. Your inner world is a world of vibration. And the language of the universe is what? Go ahead and fill in the comment section below. Language of the universe is vibration. So when I am providing instructions to the universal side of us on what I'm wanting, I have to feel it vibrationally. Over a certain time period, I will start seeing that mirrored on the physical world. But there's a time delay because we live in a time, space, dimensioned reality. So that's why this mirror concept is a mirror concept, but really, here's what it really is. It's a pretty thick mirror. And as I'm getting closer and closer to a more dense reality, it gets more and more and more dense until it becomes a physical thing. So the mirror takes time, and this is the trick where everyone loses faith. They say, this is ridiculous. I've been doing my affirmations, I've been visualizing, I've been doing my gratitude notes, maybe my gratitude lists, I've been maybe doing hypnosis for success, maybe I've been doing very deep things, or maybe you're in my group coaching programs or even my soul school, where we go through a lot of this, where we actually go through a level of understanding and systemizing manifesting and reality shifting, okay? But when we don't see a result for an hour, a day later, 2 days later, a week later, a month later, we feel like this stuff doesn't work. It doesn't work for me, at least. I'm not seeing a result. There's so much time lag. What's going on here? I'm not really seeing anything happen. And you're being smart when you're thinking that because you don't want to keep doing something that's not working for 5 years. That's ridiculous, right? So you're being smart about it, but also there's a balance between being smart about something working and actually having faith or persistence and continuing that fusion. So we're going to discuss this later in the video, but this time lag you need to know. So stick to the end of the video, stick with me here, because this time lag, I'm going to give you a way to go around it. Okay, so you accelerate your progress and shorten the time frame. How's that sound for you? Stick to the end of the video because I'm going to show you that, and it's going to be a beautiful experience for you. Okay, now the vibrational world reflects into and projects into the outer world. Before we go any further and go into what to say out loud, if you're ready for a step-by-step system, I have Soul School. You're going to love it. Literally a membership, no commitment, month to month. So it's not like a $5,000 coaching program you need to buy. I made it accessible to nearly everybody. Less than a cost of dinner for 2 people. Okay? You're going to get a systematic way of brainwashing yourself for success, reality shifting and hacking the matrix so you see results, and then also healing all the wounds that are keeping you stuck, that glass ceiling people feel. That is less about manifesting and that's more about healing. I do all of this in one go, systematically and consistently helping you in that wavelength. If you go to the description below, you'll see number 1, a free masterclass. It'll give you a little more in-depth information about 3 codes you need to change in your soul code re-architecture of your reality. You could start with that. If you're ready to jump right into Soul School, the link's below. Or if you're even one of those more like elite players, you're ready for done with you, done for you healings. You're ready to say like, I'm ready to really heavily invest in myself. You can book a call with us. And in that way, I can help you get certified if you want to create a business helping people doing this. Or if you're like, I just want really deep one-on-one help because I've been doing this far too long. A lot of my students have been studying 20, 30 years. But literally the first 3 to 4 months, they have bigger breakthroughs because I am in your consciousness doing it with you. How cool is that? You had to go home and do all the homework and accountability. I'm doing it with you. Just got to show up to the call. Pretty easy. So all of that information is below in the description and the pinned comment, or you'll see some cards above that are popping up as well. Just go for it. We have no risk on even the Soul School 7-day money-back guarantee, and also the masterclass. If you check that out first, it's free anyways. Okay? So as we're getting into vibrational projection into the outer world, what do we need to do to fix, change, or upgrade if we want better relationships? If we want better money, career, success, if we want better results, we have to start here. So I need to start building an inner world where I already have all of that wait the time delay, which we're going to accelerate by the end of the video, and then allow it to move into, keyword there, allow it to move into the physical outer world. You see? As we're doing that, we'll start to see in time the results starting to match our inner world. Now, what does that actually look like is our inner conversations and our self-concept need to change. This is what Neville Goddard would talk about, if you've ever heard of Neville Goddard's teachings. Essentially, what kind of conversations would you have with yourself and others if your money and career were even in a better space than ever before? Well, you would think things like, I'm doing really well. I'm a master manifester. You might hear a conversation of two other people talking about you. Did you hear about how well they're doing? That's fantastic. So essentially you start building the inner conversations or even positive rumors about you, called the whisper technique. Same thing with the results, same thing with relationships, same thing with any other thing you're doing here, okay? Now, one of the things that helps with this is what we're about to say out loud. So repeat exactly after me, word for word. I've just entered a portal now. I am now in a sacred simulation reality. Everything we're doing here is actually a memory from my future self. I'm stepping through a portal activation now. And I give up on the physical plane all control in order to stay in faith to a higher realm. I have the thing vibrationally already. Therefore, I stay in faith to that vibration. Yes, I still take action, but I do so after I've changed consciousness. Now, I mentioned at the end of the video, we're going to be talking about how do you accelerate the progress and lower the speed, or increase the speed, but lower the gap of time from transferring from one to the other. The ultimate word here is surrender, and I'm going to give you a technique on how to do this, okay? This is the word, okay? We are getting in our own way, creating a lot of resistance patterns around the things we're wanting, because doubts, worries, overthinking, and monitoring for results constantly allow it to essentially go back to our old results. Okay? The act of monitoring for the results, is it here? Is it there? When is it going to come? Where is it going to come from? All those questions, those overthinking, create so much resistance that it goes more of the time reflecting back your old results. So here's the trick to this when you're surrendering. I already mentioned actually out loud when we're doing the mantras out loud just now, but you have to give up control on the physical plane. It becomes your mantra. I give up on the physical plane, all control. Sounds crazy. Our Western world and society says never give up, never surrender. That's ridiculous, okay? So essentially what we're doing here is I give up all control on the physical plane. I give up all control on my outer world. I don't control it. In fact, I don't even do it myself. Now, this is an ego check because your ego wants to say, I'm going to do it all myself. I got this. I can do it. Forget about the I. The I has nothing to do with the physical plane. That's an ego trip. I achieved. I'm a self-made millionaire. I'm this. Zero. That's all ego mind trauma. Okay? Once I'm there, I'll finally feel valid. Once I'm there, I'll finally prove myself. Once I'm there, I'll finally feel worthy. In fact, most entrepreneurs in this world that you see as successful and everything else, they're so traumatized, they built in their entire business and empire on anger, around frustration, proving myself. What an awful way to live. I don't want any part of that. What if you were acting just from pure love? What if you were acting and building your life based on peace as the foundation? Soul reconnection is the foundation. Spirit is the foundation. What a life. It's so much better. So this is a call to you. Manifesting is not about getting results, actually. It's about allowing yourself to surrender yourself to having a higher faith in something bigger than you. And that is the key to accelerating the process and lowering the time frame. Because when you're in a space of surrendering and not I'm not going to get done, and I say, God, higher power, I trust that you do it all. Soul, higher power, field, whatever you want to call the substance when you're coherent with that place, I can't do it. These results I'm thinking about are way more impressive than I could ever actually just get done myself. I give it all to you. This becomes a study of reconnecting with your soul more so than getting results. You see, now you're not worrying so much because you're not trying to get a result. You're trying to stay in harmony with the vibrational space inside. So it becomes a study of vibrational study. What an easier way to manifest. Because every time you're obsessed about getting the results, you're so doubtful, you're frustrated, you're stressed. If you're up and down, it's a roller coaster when you have good results, then you're down when you're not. When you start staying here, I give up all control in the physical plane to stay in higher faith to a higher realm. Life starts to be completely different. You start to notice reality shift and move forward. If you're getting any value out of this, please throw a like on this. Share this with at least one other person who could really maybe get this awareness and run with it. Somebody that you're thinking about or even posting on one of your social media feeds like, this is so much more simple than law of attraction, like attracts like. No, that may be the principle of how the vibrational things come together, but doesn't it get confusing? Like attracts like, and I'm trying to get it done, I'm trying to manifest results. No, just build your inner world, like you're building a Lego set, like you're building a house. Before you can live in the house, you got to build it. Before you can live in the house, you got to build it. See? Not here, but here. Scott Haug signing off here. I hope you really enjoyed the video today. I look forward to seeing you in the next one upcoming, as well as in our Soul School. If you're not already, I'd love to have you there in our Soul Tribe family. Everyone's coming together, becoming very good friends, interconnected, connected with each other. Hope to see you there. See you inside.